Deal TV, learn and earn.
Top 15 Tips for Hiring the Right Employee. There are several resources required to get success in any business. But do you know what the more important resource is? Human resource is a vital resource since your employee is the one who handles all other resources. The utilization of other resources depends on the skills and quality of employees. This is the reason many businesses follow a lengthy process while hiring the right employee for their business. So, what is the best practice to hire employees? Let us try to find out the answer to this burning question. How to find the right employee. Selection of the right candidate for a position seems easy. But it is a stressful job since your selection will go under serious scrutiny every time. If you interview any candidate and hire them, other people in the organization judge your ability to pick the right candidate. However, it is impossible to please everyone. But one must consider all the aspects before taking any candidate into the organization. If you are looking to find the best way to find employees, you must adapt the below provided tips. So, let us look at the top 15 tips that help you in hiring the right employee. 1. Look for career commitment. If you want to hire qualified employees for your business and help achieve the organizational goals, you must find people with a commitment to their career. In this current job market, the most common problem for every business is the employee attrition rate. Many professionals keep on changing their companies to get a good hike. This habit is becoming more frequent. Hence, you must ask the question that shows their commitment to their career rather than running behind the money. If an employee is not loyal even it is rewarding him reasonably, then that type of employee is a big problem for the company. You can check their loyalty if they have work experience. Check how long they stayed in other companies and you see frequent switching of jobs, they are not the good candidate. 2. Test their analytical and learning skills. Educational qualifications and other certifications are important while recruiting employees. However, he or she should have strong analytical and learning skills. Testing and concluding about one's analytical and learning skills is not an easy task. That too, when you have limited time, testing these skills is a tricky choice. You must not check the capacity and competency of a candidate by seeing their confidence and resume alone. Many cases resume includes sugar-coated lies. Confidence is a great quality, but it should not be a substitution for skills and qualifications. Regardless of the position, one has to learn new things, and a recruiter should give more weightage to these skills. 3. Determine their compatibility. Many people possess good qualifications and skills, but if they cannot cope with the organization's culture, they will not enjoy and hindrances their contribution to the company. Determine whether the candidate is capable enough and has the quality of getting along with the team and other employees. To get to know about the compatibility skills in an interview, ask about their previous roles and teamwork. Also, prepare some questions that help you know about the qualities of the candidate. One has to have the willingness to do any work. If a person cannot get along with a boss or clients or with fellow teammates, your business will take a big hit. 4. Look in the social media. In this social media era, you can find many things on social media. It is not only restricted to connect with friends and share memes or sharing posts. It is also used to sell products, and also big organizations are using these platforms to hire the right candidate. Over 90% of companies prefer recruiting through social media such as Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. Even over 45% of job openings are listed on social media of Fortune 500 companies. Also, in interviews asking basic personal questions can be embarrassing for both parties. Rather know their social media presence. It will let you know so many things about the candidate. 5. Hire interns. Many people will dispute this point if you include hiring interns in the hiring tips. This is one of the best ways of hiring the right employee. It is the right method since you will know many more things about the interns than other experienced employees. After working with interns for many months, you will know about their attitude, bonding with the team, strengths, weakness, behavior, skills, knowledge, performance, and confidence level. So, what else you need to make your hiring process more scientific and effective? By taking the interns, you already did hard work and training them, so why can't you take the people with the right attitude from the pool of interns? So turn interns into employees and be proud of your ploy. 6. Keep your hiring methods and process. If you are taking the candidates for a large organization or a startup, you must pay enormous attention to the hiring process. The more effective your hiring process becomes, the more skillful and employees who can make your business prosperous. You should ensure to follow the below methods to improve the hiring process. Do not waste interview time in asking irrelevant questions that most people still do. Rather, prepare questions that will help you determine the candidate's knowledge, skills, attitude, capabilities, and potential. When you announce the job opening, you must specify everything, including the qualifications, experience, roles and responsibilities, skills, etc. This helps in a big way since candidates with these skills only apply for the jobs, and your screening process takes less time. Even you are the boss, add other colleagues in the screening process. It will give other perspectives, and their opinions help in selecting the right person. 7. Define the job, roles, and responsibility. The hiring process will become effective only if you are clear about your requirements. The selection of the right candidate starts with job analysis. After doing the job analysis, you know the responsibilities, duties of the job, and required skills and qualifications to complete the same. This step is important since defining the job is the invitation for aspirants. If you define everything clearly in the job advertisement, your task becomes easy. And you must make the candidate understand his roles, duties, responsibilities. This helps both employee and employer to understand what is expected from both parties. The accurate description of all these details is essential in the job advertisement itself. It helps to avoid any unnecessary work and problems. 8. Plan the process accurately. Once you are done describing the job and responsibilities, you should start planning other processes. The well-designed hiring process helps in hiring the right employee. The precise planning and strategy help in making the recruitment effective. With the job description, set up a team to execute your process of hiring. Involve some of the key employees in conducting the recruiting process. The role of a hiring manager is crucial in this process. In this stage, you must prepare a detailed strategy and execute the same. Everything from planning to the interview process should be planned clearly. 9. Hire the right candidate for the right position. You may get an excellent candidate who is highly qualified, but he cannot perform as you expect if you put him in the wrong position. Hence, you need to determine the suitability and place them in the right positions. To make sure you are placing the correct people in the correct position, prepare a checklist. This checklist you can prepare while describing the roles, responsibilities, and skills of the future employees. Keeping such a checklist helps you in ascertaining the skills a candidate possesses. This activity acts as navigation to get the right candidate. 10. Go through the resume or application of a candidate carefully. The best way to screen many aspirants is through reading their resumes carefully. The pre-screening is very important since it saves a lot of time for the recruiting team. By reading the application of the aspirants let you know a lot of things. The prior experience, the role they were doing, etc. But many people sugarcoat their achievement or roles in the application. You can get to know the truth behind those words by asking relevant questions. The way one prepares her application also tells a lot of things about that person. You must learn to read those hidden things if you want to become an expert recruiter. 11. prepare for the interview. The placement of an employee can be a make or break for a business. This is why hiring the right employees is crucial to an organization. So, even though this tip sounds crazy, you must prepare for the interview even if you have a huge experience. Everyone asks some basic questions, such as background, experience, etc. You must ask their career planning, where they see themselves after a few years, etc. These kinds of questions help you know the ambitions and goals of the candidate. Based on the answer, you can further ask follow-up questions and know more about their expectations and goals. 12. Learn to ask the right questions. If your process helps in hiring the right employee, then you must be asking the right questions. The well-planned and well-designed hiring process separates special candidates from the heap of average aspirants. The right set of questions changes as per the situation. This tip not only helps you in selecting the right candidates but also in all situations. Unless one asks the right question, you won't get the right answer, and consequently, it becomes hard to know more about the candidate. 13. Do background verification. It is not easy to get to know everything in a short interview. And even if a candidate passes all your interviews and seems like an excellent choice, many things need to be followed before making the selection process final. Effective background checks, verifying the references are the most effective ways of hiring. The background checks must be done to know about the employee in detail. Check with the previous employers, supervisors to know more about her capabilities, behavior, attitude, educational qualification, etc. The criminal background check, character check is also needed to hire the right talent. 14. Make use of an effective offer letter. Once you are done with all the above said steps, it is time to welcome your new employee. The negotiations about the salary and other things done till now will be verbally, but issuing the offer letter with all such details gives the official confirmation. Welcome your new employee by offering warm smiles. Gradually make them understand organizational culture. The specially designed offer letters make the new employees feel special. These are the little things, but the effects are more. Treating your new employees special builds loyalty and special bonding with the organization. The offer letter must compel them to keep with them for a longer time. 15. Don't make common mistakes. Many interviewers make common mistakes, such as not asking the right questions, wasting time reading the resume, and asking the common questions. All the positions are not the same, and one must understand that different methods are needed to know more about the candidates. So, try to adapt the new method for hiring the right employee. One of the best ways to know about the candidate is by switching roles. The process of hiring the right employee is always an evolving process. The things you learned yesterday might not be effective today. Hence, be ready to adapt to the change and find the right talent for your business. There is no fixed way or method to select the right candidate. It depends on various factors, and you must know which one to follow when. Nevertheless, the above provided tips help in making your hiring process more effective.
Deal TV, learn and earn.